What's going on, guys? It's your boy GD, and I don't know if you guys know, but I've been trying to find out the best position for my microphone in order to record the exhaust sound without the wind noise. Okay, so I went so far that I even bought a H1 Zoom H1 field recorder, but I found out that, you know, the exhaust is so loud that even if I put the input to the lowest level on the Zoom, I still get distortion. Okay, there's only so much the Zoom can handle, and I'm peaking way over that. So I'm trying to, you know, position my microphone, one of my 3 external microphones that I have, and position it somewhere in the bike where it's far enough, but still sound good. See what I'm saying? So I tried a bunch of positions, but I think I have it figured out finally. So I was thinking, and you know, I put it in the back, I put it under the seat, I put it down low, I put it in the front, I put it there, I put it freaking everywhere. Over here, over there, everywhere. So I think this might work, and I'm very excited about that. So I just opened up this little thingy, and I put one of these Velcro strips in there with my microphone attached. I doubled up on the windscreen, and I also stuck one of my face shields in there, so all the possible wind that might come inside is blocked by that socket. So what I'm gonna do is, let me just get my little thingy. Right, you can't see it because it's too far in, but there is a Velcro strip also inside. So I'm gonna put this thing in, I'm gonna attach it right here, right where the tube is, as far from the engine as I can. Then I'm gonna route the cable to to my GoPro and see how that sounds. That should block all the freaking wind. You know, that rubber tube is gonna go in here, and this should freaking block everything out. So I'm gonna go for a little test ride and keep you guys posted. It's your boy GD. See you then. Alright guys, so I put all 3 microphones in there, so they're all 3 of them are ready to plug in. Purple Panda microphone. Let's see. Okay, Purple Panda. Then we got the Giant Squid. I'm sorry, this is the Sony ECS CS3 or something like that. And then this is the Giant Squid. Here's my GoPro. I'm gonna have it faced forwards and then faced backwards. Here's my adapter with the Velcro strips on there, connected to the cam. And this is how we're gonna do it. See you guys in a little bit.